Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to backup database and file on Hostinger. So first of all, I will open Hostinger account and click on manage button. After that, go to file section and click on backup. So here is backup options. So first of all, go to restore files and click on select button. So here is files, backup files. So select time of files, like this time will selected, and click on prepare to download and click on understood. Then this file will be ready to backup. After that, go to restore database, click on select button and click on and select database. After that, click on show database. So here is different type of database, like select first. After that, click on restore button. The file will be restored, and go to generate backup and click on select button. So here is generate new backup. So if you want to generate new backup, so go to proceed and you can generate new backup. So in this way we can download backup like database and files from Hostinger.